WestRock is about a $5 billion global packaging company. We have a number of different segments. Beverage is our largest. Our customers, they're becoming increasingly interested in how our packaging can help them increase the consumption of their product and how it can play into their brand strategy. The secondary package, what we make, is what the consumer sees on the shelf. And so that is the first moment of truth for the consumer. That's when the consumer is going to make that choice. And so it's important that that package that we make is consistent with their brand strategy and drives the consumer to that choice versus a competitive choice for our customers.
What makes us different from our competitors is that we offer a complete solution. Our system is completely integrated, and that's the reason why we work with Dassault Systèmes, who also has a totally integrated system. Our strategies are completely aligned.
We believe we can bring dynamically and incredibly faster speed to market. Our goal is to go from 18 months to 6. And the other thing we can bring is the overall quality of the solution. So it's not just what the consumer needs, it's not just what the brand needs, but it's also efficient, it's cost effective. That's unique in the market. And Dassault Systèmes is really the underlying enabler to all that, because what was different about Dassault Systèmes versus other design tools that we have used in the past is they're not all connected. And so that collaborative nature of the Dassault Systèmes tools, as well as the connectedness of every piece of the tools, was absolutely critical to allowing us to do this. It's a foundational element that we found in Dassault Systèmes.
We have several sites worldwide in the United States, Australia, China, and Japan. And packaging development is always done locally. Having a collaborative tool enables us, even with the time differences, which don't leave us much time, to still be able to work together at the same time on identical solutions.
We're already seeing great benefits. Many of our customers saying, okay, WestRock clearly is the innovator and clearly has differentiated themselves. So that was a win by itself, that perception that opened up some of those doors.
With the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, we have a highly performing image of the package, which enables clients to be able to virtually visualize and to eventually compare it with other available solutions before they even have the package in their hands. This marks a real advance for the client as well as for the engineers.
Well, with Natural Sketch, it's not only better with the customer, but also then accelerates the process to go to the next step, which is actually really designing the carton in 3D using CATIA. They're linked. If they weren't linked, they would be much less useful. That's really critical. And then as it goes towards automation, now our machinery engineers actually have a real digital facsimile or a real product to then engage the machine that's also designed in CATIA. And so we've created that link across the entire system. And the time savings is tremendous. We're cutting 40, 50, 60% of the time out of that process.
It's a revolution. No redesign necessary in 3 dimensions. The machines we manufacture are also 3-dimensional. Thus, the two are fully compatible, and we can take the package and put it directly into the machine, and there's no reprocessing to do, which was a huge step forward for our engineers.
We believe we will be the innovative partner for the large global beverage companies, and that's the position that we want to have.